Finally, we got rain. We've had a drought here for like 2 months. As you can see, the grass is just dead. We've needed rain really bad. Storms finally come in. Should be raining for quite a few hours. Hopefully, crossing my fingers. But it's raining pretty good right now. Good lightning, thunder. They're doing work across in the ditch right there. They're putting they're pretty. They're putting city water in. We live just about 10 minutes from the city, but yeah, they're doing work across in the ditch right there. Skid loader right there. But yeah, there's my trailblazer. Bring on the rain.